So Mendel carried out his dihybrid cross, got a dihybrid ratio of 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1, of which 9 and 1 were parental, but 3 plus 3 were new combinations. And he gave his third law, law of independent assortment. What is this law? Let's understand. Mendel's third law of inheritance, law of independent assortment, states that when two homozygous parents differing in two pairs of contrasting traits are crossed, inheritance of one pair is independent of the other. So, when a dihybrid forms gametes, assortment or distribution of alleles of different traits is independent of their original combination in the parents. And appearance of new combinations in the F2 generation proves this law. तो चलो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सर ये है क्रोमोसोम और ये है क्रोमोसोम, ये है मैटरनल क्रोमोसोम और ये है पैटर्नल क्रोमोसोम. इसके ऊपर था जीन फॉर येलो और इसके ऊपर था जीन फॉर राउंड और इसके ऊपर था जीन फॉर ग्रीन और इसके ऊपर था जीन फॉर रिंकल्ड. और आया था ग्रीन रिंकल्ड पैटर्नल और आया था येलो राउंड मैटर्नल. हमने इमैस्कुलेशन कौन सा किया था? फीमेल प्लांट का, एंड दैट वाज हैविंग येलो एंड राउंड. एंड पोलन ग्रेन किसमें से लिए थे? पैटर्नल. और उसमें था ग्रीन एंड रिंकल्ड with these chromosomes. When they came together, what was the combination, sir? It was capital Y, capital R, small r. And we got green round. But इसमें से जब gametes बने, इसमें से जब gametes बने, you got yellow and wrinkled gamete and green and round gamete. येलो एंड रिंकल्ड बना और ग्रीन और राउंड बना. एंड व्हाट वाज दैट, सर? दैट वाज इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट. यू गॉट इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट. आया था येलो राउंड मैटरनल मैटरनल और ग्रीन रिंकल्ड पैटर्नल पैटर्नल टू गेट येलो, green, round, wrinkled chromosomes with those genes, factors. But जब उसमें से gamete बना, what combination we got? We got yellow and wrinkled. Yellow wrinkled mila, yellow wrinkled. And we got green round, green round. So we got yellow wrinkled and green round. Once again, this is yellow. This is green. This is round. This is wrinkled. This was maternal. This was paternal. And आया था yellow round and green wrinkled. Or you got capital Y, capital R, small r. As green is small y and wrinkled is small r. And उसमें से gamete कौन सा बना? Gamete बना You could get original gamete capital Y capital R also. You could get small y small r also. Or you got capital Y small r. एक maternal, एक paternal. And you got small y capital R. एक पैटर्नल और एक मैटर्नल. तो उसमें से बना कैपिटल वाई कैपिटल आर लाइक पेरेंटल. और यू गॉट कैपिटल वाई स्मॉल आर which is new. You got small y capital R which is new. Or you got small y small r which is parental. तो parental capital Y capital R, parental small y small r, but new capital Y small r, new small y small r. What is this capital small capital independent assortment? What is this capital Y small r and small y capital R called as independent assortment? Independent assortment hua. So once again, when two homozygous parents differing in two pairs of contrasting traits are crossed, inheritance of one pair is independent of the other. Or when a dihybrid or polyhybrid forms gametes, assortment or distribution of alleles of different traits is independent of the original combination in the parents. When a dihybrid or polyhybrid forms gametes, assortment or distribution of alleles of different traits is independent of the original combination in the parents. Original combination was capital Y, capital R, and small y and small r, maternal and paternal, and assortment, distribution of alleles of different traits is independent of the original combination. Original combination was capital Y, capital R, small y, small r. New combination is capital Y, small r, and small y, capital R. ये new combination बना, proving the law of independent assortment. And ये था independent assortment, which was Mendel's third law of independent assortment. And इसका proof क्या है? Appearance of new recombination in the F2 generation. In the F2 generation, we got yellow wrinkled, and we got green round. We got yellow wrinkled and yellow wrinkled and green round. तो इसमें कौन से जीन्स आए हैं? येलो रिंकल्ड में यू गॉट स्मॉल y and capital Y, yellow wrinkled, you got capital Y and small r and small r. तो ये येलो रिंकल्ड बना. तो गैमीट कौन सा आया है? कैपिटल Y स्मॉल r, कैपिटल Y स्मॉल r, और उससे बन गया जाइगोट विच इज कैपिटल Y स्मॉल r. तो गैमीट कौन सा आया? कैपिटल Y स्मॉल r, कैपिटल Y स्मॉल r. तो उससे येलो रिंकल्ड बन गया. सिमिलरली वी गॉट ग्रीन राउंड. तो उसमें कौन सा गैमीट आया? स्मॉल y and capital R, capital R. तो ये क्रोमोसोम पे कौन है? स्मॉल y. ये क्रोमोसोम पे कौन है? स्मॉल y. ये क्रोमोसोम पे कौन है? कैपिटल R. ये क्रोमोसोम पे कौन है? कैपिटल R. तो गैमीट कौन सा था? स्मॉल y कैपिटल R, स्मॉल y कैपिटल R. और उससे क्या बन गया F2 जनरेशन में? स्मॉल y कैपिटल R, which clearly proves that independent assortment has taken place, that when a dihybrid forms gametes, assortment or distribution of alleles of different traits is independent of their original combination in the parents, which is called law of independent assortment. Beautiful. This was Mendel's third law, law of independent assortment, given by the dihybrid cross. Appearance of new combinations in the F2 generation proves the law. Now, many genes are located on one chromosome. They are linked and they pass together as a linkage group. So, law of independent assortment is applicable only for traits which are located on different chromosomes. That is the reason law of independent assortment is not universally applicable. Now, what do you mean by this, sir? Sir, ये है capital Y, ये है small y, ये है capital R, ये है small r. And you could get combination capital Y small r and small y capital R. ये combination possible था because all the genes capital Y, capital small y, capital R and small r were found on different chromosomes. Yellow green अलग chromosome पे था, round and wrinkled अलग chromosome पे थे. So उनका independent assortment possible हुआ. But समझो you have एक ही chromosome पे capital Y and capital R और दूसरे पे you have small y and small r. तो जब गैमीट बनेगा ये क्रोमोसोम आएगा बाहर तो येलो राउंड होगा और ये क्रोमोसोम आएगा तो ग्रीन एंड रिंकल्ड होगा. तो यहाँ येलो राउंड नहीं टूट रहा है. And let it combine with any other gamete it will combine. येलो की वजह से कैपिटल Y की वजह से येलो आएगा ही आएगा और कैपिटल R की वजह से राउंड आएगा ही आएगा. तो कैपिटल Y एंड कैपिटल R आर इनसेपरेबल because they are found on the same chromosome. तो फिर येलो रिंकल्ड पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, येलो रिंकल्ड पॉसिबल नहीं है और ग्रीन राउंड पॉसिबल नहीं है. Green round is not possible, so new recombination is not possible, and such genes are called as linked genes. So linked genes do not show independent assortment. For independent assortment, you need to have genes found on separate chromosomes. Capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, and उसके अंदर independent assortment possible है if they are found on different chromosomes. But if they are found on same chromosome, then independent assortment is not possible because these genes are called as linked genes. So linked genes will not allow independent assortment. So law of independent assortment is not universally true. And law of dominance is also not true. There is something called co-dominance and incomplete dominance, जो हम लोग करेंगे. Blood group A and B, and समझो gene for A and B come together, then A and B दोनों genes express करेंगे and your blood group will become AB. तो AB blood group भी होता है. तो gene for A, gene for B अगर अकेला रहेगा तो आपका A ग्रुप या B ग्रुप रहेगा, लेकिन आपके अंदर फादर से जीन फॉर ए ग्रुप आ गया, मम्मी से जीन फॉर बी ग्रुप आ गया, तो ए कैनॉट डोमिनेंट बिकम डोमिनेंट ओवर बी, बी कैनॉट बिकम डोमिनेंट ओवर ए, सो बोथ ऑफ देम विल एक्सप्रेस एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कोडोमिनेंस. एंड कोडोमिनेंस ए बी ब्लड ग्रुप आ जाएगा, व्हिच प्रूव्स लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस इज नॉट यूनिवर्सली ट्रू. तो मेंडल का थर्ड लॉ, लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट, इज नॉट यूनिवर्सली एप्लीकेबल बिकॉज ऑफ लिंकेज. मेंडल का फर्स्ट लॉ, लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस, इज नॉट यूनिवर्सली एप्लीकेबल because of something called codominance and incomplete dominance. So only second law, law of segregation, is universally true. Only Mendel's second law, law of segregation, is universally true. आइए याद रखना. And then Mendel did something called as test cross or back cross. Test cross is a simple method devised by Mendel to verify, test the genotype of the F2 or F3 hybrids. Because sir, F1 are always heterozygous. कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी में से आपको मिलेगा कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी. तो F1 इज ऑलवेज हेट्रोजाइगस, बट F2 जनरेशन में all plants are not heterozygous. 25% are pure tall. If you remember, ये देखो, ये हमने किया था कि F2 जनरेशन के अंदर you will get pure tall also and you will get hybrid tall also. तो प्योर टॉल भी आता है, हाइब्रिड टॉल भी आता है F2 जनरेशन में. तो F2 जनरेशन में दिखते हैं आपको टॉल प्लांट, बट इट कुड बी होमोजाइगस प्योर ब्रीड और हेटेरोजाइगस हाइब्रिड ब्रीड. होमोजाइगस भी हो सकता है कैपिटल टी प्योर ब्रीड, या हेटेरोजाइगस भी हो सकता है हाइब्रिड ब्रीड कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी. हेटेरोजाइगस भी हो सकता है. तो हाउ डू यू नो whether it is homozygous or heterozygous? How do you find out F2 generation is homozygous or heterozygous? So to find out whether the tall plant is homozygous or heterozygous, something called as a test cross is done. And test cross में F2 generation plant is crossed with a homozygous recessive parent. F2 is crossed with a homozygous recessive parent. Since the offspring is crossed with one of the parents, वापस हमने back to parent cross किया, it is called as a back cross. It is called as a back cross. Because offspring is crossed back with one of the parents, it is called back cross. So F2 plant, we don't know whether it is homozygous or heterozygous. We cross it with homozygous recessive parent. Check it here. तो सर यहां है unknown genotype, red flower, capital R और capital R small r. Now capital R भी हो सकता है red flower, या capital R small r भी हो सकता है red flower F2 generation में. And what we do, we cross it with recessive parent. So capital R into small r और capital R into small r. तो दोनों केसेस में it may be homozygous or it may be heterozygous. We cross it with recessive parent. That is called as a test cross. Now, what will happen if it is capital R, or what will happen if it is capital R, small r? If it is capital R, then which gametes are formed there? Capital R, and recessive parent में से कौन से gametes बनेंगे? Small r. So now what will we get? We will get capital R, or capital R, or capital R, or capital R, So capital R will always fuse with small r, capital R will always fuse with small r, capital R will always fuse with small r, capital R will always fuse with small r. तो कोई भी combination करो, you will get one capital R and one small r. So all the plants are red. All are red. Then the flower is homozygous. If all are red, flower is homozygous with genotype capital R. Genotype capital R. अगर सब red हो गए, so capital R crossed with small r, if you get all reds, then the plant is homozygous with genotype capital R. But समझो, it was not capital R. It was capital R, small r. ये था. तो इसमें से कौन से gametes बनेंगे? Capital R, small r, and we have back crossed it with recessive parent, small r. तो यहां बनेंगे gametes small r. Now what will we get? We will get capital R, small r. This will become capital R, small r. This will also become capital R, small r. But this will become small r. And this will become small r. So check it here. This becomes capital R, small r. This becomes capital R, small r. But this becomes small r. This becomes small r. So we get two reds and two whites. Two red and two white in the ratio of 2:2 or 1:1. 2:2 or 1:1. Then the flower is heterozygous with genotype capital R, small r. Then it is heterozygous with genotype capital R, small r. So समझो, you get all red. Then the flower is homozygous. When you back cross it with recessive parent, then it is homozygous. Capital R into small r. So back cross kiya, then you get all reds. That means flower is homozygous. It is capital R. And if it was capital R, small r, then back crossing it with recessive will produce two reds and two whites in the ratio of 1:1. Then the flower is heterozygous with genotype capital R, small r. It is capital R, small r. So if it is all red, so homozygous. If it is red and white in the ratio of 1:1, then it is heterozygous capital R, small r. इस तरह से F2, F3 जनरेशन के अननोन जीनोटाइप्स को डिटरमाइन किया जाता है by something called as a test cross. And a back cross with a dominant parent cannot be used to test the genotype. So you can back cross with dominant parent, but can you back cross with dominant parent and get unknown genotype? तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन में तो सब कुछ रेडी मिलेगा आपको, क्योंकि डोमिनेंट पेरेंट में तो रेड आ रहा है. तो डोमिनेंट पेरेंट के साथ बैक क्रॉस किया तो उससे टेस्टिंग ऑफ अननोन जीनोटाइप पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो अ टेस्ट क्रॉस इज ऑलवेज अ बैक क्रॉस. A test cross is a back cross, but a back cross is not necessarily a test cross. A test cross with the recessive parent, or rather, a back cross with a recessive parent is a test cross. A back cross with recessive parent is a test cross, but a back cross with a dominant parent will not give you any idea of the genotype here. So a back cross with dominant parent is not necessarily a test cross. So we have analyzed the logic of a test cross. That was monohybrid test cross. Then we have a dihybrid test cross. Samjho you have a tall and red plant. Tall and red. Now we don't know whether it is homozygous or heterozygous. Huh, if it was homozygous, capital D, capital D, capital R, capital R. And if you did a back cross with recessive, small t, small t, small r, small r, then what will we get in the next generation? कम से कम यहाँ से एक कैपिटल टी और एक कैपिटल आर आएगा और यहाँ से स्मॉल टी और स्मॉल आर आएगा. मीन्स all the plants will be capital T, small t, capital R, small r. All will be tall and red. तो उसमें all tall and red आ जाएंगे. So if it is homozygous, then if you do a back cross, you get homozygous, and you do a back cross, you will get all plants capital T, small t, capital R, small r, which means tall and red, and that means it is homozygous. But somehow it was heterozygous, capital T, small t, capital R, small r, and small t, small t, small r, small r. So tall and red is heterozygous. You back cross it with the recessive parent. But now it's a dihybrid test cross. It's a dihybrid test cross. Tall and red. And back cross it with dwarf and white. Now what gametes will we get? Capital T, small t, capital R, small r will form capital T, capital R, capital T, small r, small t, capital R, small t, small r. And small t, small t, small r में से तो एक ही गैमीट बनेगा. Small t, small r, small t, small r, small t, small r, small t, small r. तो समझो इसको बनाया हमने फीमेल और इसको बनाया हमने मेल. तो now we get female. फीमेल के अंदर you got capital T, capital R, capital T, small r, small t, capital R, small t, small r. और ये बन गया मेल. तो उसमें स्मॉल टी स्मॉल आर, स्मॉल टी स्मॉल आर, स्मॉल टी स्मॉल आर, स्मॉल टी स्मॉल आर. तो अब जब चेकर बोर्ड बनेगा, check it here. You will get capital T first. Let's see. Capital T, capital R, small t, small r. You will get capital T, small t. And you will get capital R and small r. So, capital T, capital R, small t, small r forms capital T, small t, capital R, small r. Similarly, this will form capital T, small t, capital R, small r. Capital T, small t, capital R, small r. ये तो सेम है, यहाँ तो सेम है. तो चार प्लांट आपको बन गए capital T, small t, capital R, small r. 4 are tall and red. 4 are tall and red. Now we have capital T, small r. So capital T, small r with small t, small r will form capital T, small t, small r, small r. And again will form capital T, small t, small r, small r. Again will form capital T, small t, small r, small r. Again will form small t, small capital T, small t, small r, small r. तो चार प्लांट आपको मिलेंगे tall because of capital T, but smaller, so 4 will be tall and white. 4 will be tall and white. And then we get small t capital R with small t small r. So you will get small t capital R small r. 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 So because of small t, it will become dwarf. But because of capital R, it will become red. So 4 plants we get dwarf and red. And small t small r with small t small r. You will get small t small r, and similarly here you will get small t small r. So 4 plants we will get dwarf and white. 4 plants dwarf and white. So what is capital T small t capital R small r? Tall and red. What is capital T small r, tall and white? What is small t capital R small r, dwarf and red? And what is small t small r, dwarf and white? So what phenotypic ratio we get? 4:4:4:4. 4 tall red, 4 tall white, 4 dwarf red, 4 dwarf white, 4:4:4:4. That is 1:1:1:1. So golden words, we ended with it. A monohybrid test cross. Monohybrid test cross में what ratio we got? Monohybrid test cross, we got a ratio of 1:1. Monohybrid test cross, we got ratio of 2:2. 2:2, that is 1:1. And monohybrid test cross ratio is 1:1. So monohybrid test cross ratio is 1:1. And dihybrid test cross ratio is 1:1:1:1. 1:1:1:1. So golden words. What is Mendel's monohybrid ratio? 3:1. What is Mendel's dihybrid ratio? 9:3:3:1. What is Mendel's monohybrid test cross ratio? Test cross ratio, monohybrid, 1:1. What is Mendel's dihybrid test cross ratio? 1:1:1:1. So this was Mendel's work, which we have analyzed. And next session, we will do some beautiful deviations from Mendelism. Amazing concepts. क्या मजा आने वाला है आपको. Really enjoy. So today we had a tough part, the dihybrid ratio and dihybrid cross. I hope you've understood that. So, see y'all. Take care.